Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to study about the House of Representative, National Assembly and local level governments. So today we are beginning with the House of Representatives constitutional provision regarding the composition of House of Representatives. The constitutions of Nepal has stated in the Article 83 there shall be a federal legislature consisting of two houses to be known as House of Representative and National Assembly, which shall be called as federal parliaments. Out of these two houses, Articles 84 of the Constitution has provisioned the composition of the House of Representatives, and 275 total members in the House of Representatives. 165 members are elected through the first past the post electoral system, with one being elected from each election constituency and 165 election constituency delimited in the country on the basis of the populations and geographical convenience and specificity, whereas 110 members are elected through the proportional electoral systems where the voters vote to the political parties, with the whole country being considered as the single election constituency. There is a provision that the fielding candidacy by the political parties for the election of House of Representatives under the proportional electoral systems representations shall be ensured on the basis of closed list also from Oman, Dalit and indigenous peoples, Khas Arya, Madhesi, Tharu, Muslim and backward region on the basis of the population as per the federal law. There is the provision that the fielding on the candidacy, geographical and territorial balance should be taken into the consideration, and representation of the person with disabilities is to be ensured. It is provision that at least one third of the total number of the member elected from the political party representing in the federal parliament must be the Oman. So now we'll talk about the National Assembly, constitutional and legal provision regarding the composition of National Assembly. So the Article 83 of the Constitution of Nepal has provision that there shall be a federal legislature consisting of two houses to be known as House of Representative and National Assembly, which shall be called as Federal Parliament. So the National Assembly consists of 59 member altogether, where 56 elected members, 8 from each state, and at least 3 Oman, 1 Dalit, and 1 from person with the disabilities or minorities are elected by the electoral college composed of the member of state assembly, chairperson, vice person of the village bodies, and mayors and deputy mayors of the municipalities, and three members consisting of at least one Oman nominated by the presidents on the recommendation of the government of Nepal. According to the constitution, in the term of the office of the member of National Assembly is 6 years, and the term of the office of one third of the member of National Assembly expires in 2 years. The National Assembly is the permanent house. National Assembly is the permanent house, which is also called upper house. According to the National Assembly Member Election Ordinance 2074, Electoral College Electoral College formed in each state vote as per the single transferable voting systems, and on the basis of that the person obtaining the required vote, 3 Omans, 1 Dalit, 1 persons from the person with the disabilities or minorities, and other altogether of 8 members of each states are elected. If one person is to be elected from any of the group of mentioned, the person with the highest vote is elected. Federal Among the electoral college, the weightage of the vote members of the state assembly is 48, and the weightage of the vote of the chairperson and vice chairperson of the village bodies and the mayors and deputy mayors of the municipalities 18. So now is estate assembly constitution provision regarding the composition of state assembly. According to the Article 176(1) of the Constitution of Nepal, there is a provision of 60% member of the state assembly are to be elected through the first past the post electoral system, 40% through the proportional electoral system where the voters vote the political parties. So these are the provisions, constitution provision of a state assembly. So we will talk about now the gazetted officers. The gazette is a newspaper that publishes the important of the government topics notice. The gazette is the newspaper that publishes the government notices, important law, policies, rules concerned with the general public importance, nomination, transfer, promotion, etc. by the government shall be started to publish in the Nepal Gazette since Shravan 2, 2008. It used to be called as Gazette until 2023 BS, and it has been stated to call as Gazette Rajpatra since the first amendment of Constitution Nepal 2019 that took place in the March 2023. Since the sixth part of the Gazette published by the Department of the Press, they are followed. Part 1, the Constitution and Proclamation equivalent to the Constitution, Act of Ordinance, Rule, Orders or the letters of authorizations issued by the Government of Nepal, appointment or the notice made by pursuant under the Constitutions. Part 5, notice to be published pursuant to the Act, Rule or Order of accordance to the decision of Government of Nepal. Part 6, treaties or accordance made with other nations and the international organization and notice related to them. So now we'll talk about little about the local levels of Nepal. The government of Nepal has divided Nepal into 753 locals level. According to that, there are 6 metropolitan cities, 11 sub-metropolitan cities, and 276 municipalities and 460 villages. Total we have 753, in which we have 6 metropolitan cities. First one is Kathmandu, Lalitpur, Kaski, Chitwan, Morang, and Parsa. These are the district and these are name of the cities, metropolitan cities: Kathmandu, Lalitpur, Pokhara, Bharatpur, Biratnagar, and Birganj. And population, as you know, that we have of 2,40,000 in Birganj and 2,14,000 in Biratnagar, 2,80,000 in Bharatpur, approximately 2 lakh, around 2 lakh, and is 4 lakh in Pokhara and 9 lakh 75,000 in Kathmandu and 2 lakh 84,000 in Lalitpur. So these are the area: 132 square kilometer of Parsa and 49 square kilometer in Kathmandu, and Kaski has 464. And number of wards: Parsa have 32 wards, and Kathmandu have 32 wards, and Kaski have 33 wards. Similarly, Chitwan have 29 wards. So if you talk about the some metropolitan cities, there are 11 sub-metropolitan cities. These are Sunsari, Itahari and Dharan from Sunsari district, Janakpur from Dhanusa, Hatoda from Makmanpur, Kailali, Jitpur Simra from Bara, Bhutwal is from Rupandehi, Tulsi Gurnia from Dang, Nepalganj from Banke, and Radhik from Kailali. So these are the population you can see from here, and these are the wards you can just go through. And there are remaining are the municipalities, which was 276 municipality, and village are 600 460. So you can go through this. I will not go through this, and I will just you can pause the video and read these all: Ilam, Jhapa, and these are the name of cities: Morang, Sunsari, Dhankuta, Dehradun, Sapal, Saba, Bhojpur, Salkhumbo, Khaldunga, Kotang, Udaipur, Saptari, Sirha, Dhanusa, Mohtari, Sarlahi, Sindhuli, Ramechhap, Dolkhar, Sindhu Palchok, Kavri Palanchok, Lalitpur, Godavari and Mahalakshmi, you can see there, Bhaktapur. If we talk about Kathmandu, then there is Kajaswari, Kirtipur, yes, Nuwakot, Dhading, Makwanpur, Rautahad, you can see here Rautahad, okay. Now Bara, this is Parsa, Pokhariya, Parsoni, Chitwan, Gorkha, Lamjung, Tanaho, Sangja, Magdi, Parbat, Baglung, Gulmi, Palpa, Nawalprasi, Nawalparasi West. There are two Nawalparasi, East and West, Rupandehi, Kapilbastu, Agrakachi, Python Rolpa, Rukum West, Salyang, Dang, Bake Bardia, Surkhet, Dailek, Jizarkot, Dolpa, Jumla, Kalikot, Mugu, Bajura, Bajang, Assam, Doti, Kailali, Kanchanpur, Tadeldura, Baitadi, Tarchula. So these are the name of village. You can just go through the village. I will not. I'll just you can pause and read this. Morang, Sunsari, Dhankuta, Sakhua Sava, Bhojpur, Solkhumbu, Okhaldhunga, Khotang, Udaipur, Saptari, Sairaha, Dhanusa, Mohtari, Sarlahi, Sindhuli, Ramechhap, Dolkha, Sindhupal Chowk, Kavripalan Chowk, Lalitpur, Rasua, Nuwakot, Dhading, Makwanpur, Rautahad, Bara. This is Parsa, Gorkha, Lamjung, Tanaho, Sangja. This is Kaski, Manang. This is Mustang, Magdi, Parbat, Baglung, Gulmi, Palpa, Nawalprasi, Narpalisi, West and East, Rupandehi, Kapilbastu, Agrakachi, Rukum East, Rukum West, Banke, Baldia, Surkhet, Dailek, Jazarkot, Dolpa, Jumla, Kalikot, Mugu and Humla, Bajura, Bajang, Assam, Dhoti, Kailali, Kanchanpur, Daldura, Baitadi, Darchula. And this is table 3, cities situated in the bank of the river. These are the cities situated in the bank of the rivers. So this is the city name, bank, and this is the river. You can read this throughout. You can go through by pausing it. And with this, we'll complete our chapter number 3. Thank you for watching this video. We'll now discuss about the chapter 4 and chapter 2 is remaining still. So you'll get the series of chapter 2 and chapter 4 in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Jai Nepal.